Hi, I'm Paul, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can conduct outreach in BuzzStream that's both personalized and scalable. I can send emails directly from a specific contact record, or I can send messages to a list of contacts using the Outreach module. Let's take a look at how we can reach out to a list of bloggers. Suppose I want to reach out to online marketing bloggers in my account about guest post opportunities. First, I'll filter on the tags guest post and online marketing, and this gives me a list of relevant blogs. I'll select the checkboxes next to the contacts I want to include in my outreach effort. Then I'll select Outreach. I can create a new template or select an existing one. For this outreach effort, I'm going to use an existing template. Notice the response percent shown on the right-hand side of each template. BuzzStream automatically tracks response rate by template, so I can always use the most effective message. Before starting our outreach effort, let's take a look at a template and see how you'd set one up. This is a template in BuzzStream. The template content is shown on the left-hand side of the screen, where I can enter my message. In my template, I can highlight sections that need to be personalized before sending the message to avoid embarrassing errors. On the right is a list of merge fields. Merge fields are words and emails that are automatically replaced with information from the contact record. They work well for things like names, locations, and website names. Once you begin your outreach effort in BuzzStream, you're taken to the outreach screen. The outreach screen gives you a single pane with all the information you need to conduct effective outreach. On the left-hand side, you have information about the contact, and the right-hand side shows you the email you're about to send. Let's look at the contact information. The history gives you a full view of your communications with this contact, along with any notes you've entered about opportunities. The Profile tab shows you the contact information that you've added to the contact, as well as any contact information that BuzzStream has discovered. The RSS feed shows the last 10 blog posts so that you can refer to recent posts in your message. This saves time and gives you everything you need to send personalized, relevant emails. I'll use this information to send a great outreach email. First, I'll personalize the email with information about a relevant post. I can send this email now, or I can send it later with the Send It Later button. This way, my email will reach my prospect during their workday. Once I click Send, BuzzStream takes me to the next contact record. BuzzStream automatically populates the merge fields from the contact record, saving me time and ensuring my email gets names right. So that's how you do outreach in BuzzStream. If you'd like to learn more, go to support.buzzstream.com. And you can always reach us by email at support@buzzstream.com.